Hi, welcome. This is a special series of lessons which is specially designed for foreigners, those who are willing to learn spoken Sinhala. That means this is specially for non-natives of Sinhala. So subscribe our YouTube channel and share this with your friends. Here is your first lesson. It is about greetings. That means good morning, good evening, good night. So from this lesson, you are going to learn about the single meaning of the good morning, good evening, and good night, as well as the correct pronunciation. So let's move into the first one. It is good morning. In the morning, we say it is good morning. In single, it is Subha Udayasanak. Subha Udayasanak. The good means in single, it is Subha. The pronunciation also Subha. Good Subha. Good morning. Subha Udayasanak. The morning means Udayasanak. Altogether, it is Subha Udayasanak. Good morning. Subha Udayasanak. So practice to yourself. The second one is good evening. Good evening. It means Subha Sandhyavak. Now you already know that the meaning of good is Subha. The pronunciation is Subha. So good evening means Subha Sandhyavak. Evening means Sandhyavak. Altogether it is Subha Sandhyavak. Good evening, Subha Sandhyavak. So now practice yourself. Now the third one, it is good night. Good night, Subha Ratriyak. The good is Subha, night means Ratriyak. Subha Ratriyak. Good night, Subha Ratriyak. So now practice yourself. Let's practice this again. Good morning, Subha Udayasanak. Good morning, Subha Udayasanak. Good evening, Subha Sandhyavak. Good evening, Subha Sandhyavak. Good night, Subharatriyak. Good night, Subharatriyak. This is the end of first lesson of the video series. So send your feedbacks, compliments to this video. That will really motivate us to promote this video as well as to go ahead. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for joining us.